So the hard money loans, that's what's going up front. It's a short-term high interest loan that real estate investors use and business owners use in order to buy fix and flip properties or buy fix up properties to rent. They get money towards the purchase price and they get money for rehab. Our job as a broker is to find them cost-effective capital that can close with speed. When we go back to the last slide with buying at a discount and distress, another way that you can get a discount is by acting with speed. People make cash offers. A lot of times those cash offers aren't really cash at all. They're hard money because the flexibility with hard money is that, flexible credit, no tax returns, no income verification required, and they close fast. So you can make a light cash offer with some contingencies and still get a discount so that the rest of the process can work out itself. So the DSCR loans so once the property has been fixed up, then now it's rent ready. You get a tenant in there. Now it's showing cash flow. Then the DSCR loan comes through. That's where still not having to provide any proof of income verification or tax returns required. You're closing in a business. These are all value driven features for business owners and real estate investors that aren't trying to show Uncle Sam all that much money and they otherwise they can't qualify for bank financing. We're in the alternative lending space now when we're talking about doing the broker method. We're in the alternative lending. We are not banks. We may work with banks at some point, but right now we're not working with banks. So we can provide that value and differentiate ourselves when have you ever tried to get a bank loan? Isn't it hard? A lot of documents to collect, harder process. Sure, cheaper pricing, but the value is inconvenience. That is what we're providing here is convenience, and that's the value. And that's why people use these loans. Don't forget DNA. That's right. All right. So now you understand where the hard money loan comes in and where the DSCR loan comes in as far as the BRRRR process. As a reminder, buy and rehab, that's the hard money side. When you go to refinance, that's the DSCR side. Taking the BRRRR to the next level, that is how you get paid. So this is how the business works, being a broker. Okay. We're networking with existing clients, wholesalers, real estate agents, investors, financial advisors, CPAs, accountants, business owners. You guys all have your individual networks. You all know people that are buying real estate, flipping real estate. Why not give them the opportunity to work with you over the top, add another value driven service to your business by helping them get the money that they need? They are going to get it from somebody. Why not you? And you let them know that you have the ability to help them close on their properties by getting them the loans. And so by reminding them, this is marketing 101. By letting them know what you're doing, then they think of you when it's time for that project. The last piece is collecting documents, getting it over to the lender, having it closed, and then you get paid. Obviously, there's a bunch of steps in between there, and that's what we're going to be going over in the broker challenge on how to efficiently do that with a process in mind. But for right now, you guys are making your decision on whether you want to take that next step. Here's what you can earn. Here's what you can expect. I like to make $3,000 on a deal, but sometimes I'm making between 2,500, 5 grand. It can vary depending on the size of the loan and what we're doing. But these are real commissions here. 2409, 2940, 2928, 3030, 2580, 2681, 2405, 2640. What could one of these checks do for you? Bottom line of your business, could it help you add some more money to your marketing budget to promote your direct to seller marketing, to help you get another wholesale deal, to help you go get another fix and flip deal under contract for yourself? Could it help you maybe on a personal side? Maybe you do one of these deals and, pays for a vacation. Wife's been up your ass about it anyway. Figure out a way to get it done. Do one deal. Ston Harp. Exactly. Make no mistake. Are you flexing in front of Lamborghinis doing this? With volume, you can. You do a few $1 million loans, you charge 1 point. 1 point on $1 million is 10K. My buddy Taylor, he just sent me a deal down in Miami North Shores, Miami. Buy price is $1 million. Rehab's going to be 150. He's trying to sell the thing for 1.5. If I charge 1 point, a point is 1% of the loan amount. If I charge 1 point on $1 million loan, that's 10 grand. And when we're talking about points, that's mainly on the hard money side. When we're talking about points, it's that is how you are actually getting paid. That is what your fee is called. And so the benefits of taking this business seriously is that the money's never going to dry up because these lenders are now commercialized. They're taking these notes, they're selling them on Wall Street to hedge funds and insurance companies. So there's billions and billions of dollars behind this product. It's never going to dry up. As you as you become an expert in your field, you're going to be building clients, not deal chasing. The trouble with wholesaling is that you only work with a seller what, like once? If they're a landlord with a bunch of properties and they're like, "Oh, how many times are they really going to work with you? How many times is a distressed seller really going to work with you? This is the worst moment of their life, okay? They're trying to sell you a property once. Your buyers, on the other hand, you're working with them over and over again, but they're also competing with you to get those same deals, right? So when they graduate from working with a wholesaler to doing direct to seller marketing, why not stay in their universe and help them achieve their goals, be over the top, allow them to get where they want to go by funding their deals? I just showed you that this is a highly profitable business without a whole lot of effort, well, not without a whole lot of time to put into it. Okay. Effort is based off of what you can do. I mean, you can suck at this and not make any money. I'm going to be very open about that. But if you do put in a little bit of effort, all you need is a phone and laptop, make this thing work. You're collecting documents, you're referring it to the lender, you get to closing, you get paid. Each deal, you can make $2,500 or more. I just showed you the screenshot. I just showed you. I like to make 3 grand on a deal. What do you want to make on a deal? That's up to you. It's your business.